Hey guys, what's up? So today showing the top bit Checkra1n iOS 11, iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Futuristic Cam and YouTube Eliminate Boredom. Futuristic Cam is interactive on animated sci-fi theme for your Apple camera app without installing additional plugins. Completely disable the tweak, small guide on screen, voice support for the inactive touches, Stargate effect overlay center, histograms effect on the borders, few and no annoying sound effects. So pretty cool. This is called More Bar Ets and More Status Bar Icons. This is called N95. Mass album artwork images in the Apple Music. This is called Zebra. It's basically an alternative package manager to Cydia, so it's more updated, more modern, different look than Cydia. This is called Genesis 2. Incredible. It has a large variety of ways to customize your device while also enhancing the jailbreak experience. So pretty cool. You guys read the refund policy and the features. This is called Bottom Banners Ets 2. Tested on iPhone 6 and iPhone 8 Plus. Not tested on Ets and above, so please report bugs to me. Thanks. Move notification banners to the bottom for ease access. This is called Friday for A12 Plus devices and Friday for pre-A12 devices. Just JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Melodic 2. Melodic 3 lets you manage your music library just the way you want it. This is called Staffo Siri. This is called App Switcher Controller. Control your app switcher, iOS 12 and above. You have these features right here with it. This is called Floating Dock Plus. So multitasking, dock gestures, apps and supported, refund policy, and Floating Dock Plus 13. So this is iOS 13 version, not compatible with iOS 14 yet. It will enhance the look of your home screen. It will also enable you to multitask like a pro. These features right here. This is called MyRed Beta and more powerful multitasking tweak. So you have split view mode, windowed mode, force touch settings, launch directly and mirrored. So pretty cool. This is called Enlighten, low light mode for iOS camera. This is called Shutter, so more camera features. You're reading right here for iOS 11 and 12. This is called Nita. So replace your carrier with an emoji which represents the current weather condition. You'll also add the current temperature. This is called No Widget Footer. Removes the annoying text at the bottom of your phone's widget bar. This is called Linux, and it's alternate device customization. So, you know, for sports iOS 12 and 13, there's a bunch of features you guys can do. You can read them for yourself. And the last tweet is called BT Manager Plus. And with this tweak, you can tweak to manage the way application interface your Bluetooth devices, brings powerful management features to your Bluetooth devices. So, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.